Welcome to Bethel Online Education Hub. Learn anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Let's learn together, the Bethel way. Good day, everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. Welcome to our Earth and Life Science class. Today we will explore an exciting topic, Earth and Earth system. Let's begin with a quick thought. I can't live without. Now, think about it. What are the things you need to survive? You probably thought of food, water, air, and shelter. And all of those are provided by our planet Earth. But have you ever wondered how Earth provides all these essential needs? Or what makes our planet unique among other planets in our solar system? Today, we'll uncover how Earth sustains life and what makes it different from any other planet out there. So let's dive in. Not every planet in our solar system can support life. Some planets are too hot, others are too cold. And many don't have water or an atmosphere like Earth does. For a planet to support life, there are important conditions it needs to have. We call these the factors that make a planet habitable. For any planet to support life like Earth does, certain conditions must be met. There are 5 important factors that make a planet habitable. 1. Temperature. It needs to be just right. Too hot, and water would evaporate. Too cold, and everything would freeze. Earth's distance from the sun keeps its temperature within a livable range. 2. Water. No life can exist without water. Earth is unique because it has water in liquid, solid, and gaseous states. 3. Atmosphere. This layer of gases protects us from harmful rays of the sun and helps maintain suitable temperatures. 4. Energy. Mostly from the sun, energy drives weather patterns, ocean currents, and photosynthesis, a process vital for plants and animals. 5. Nutrients. Essential for plants, animals, and humans. Nutrients like nitrogen and carbon cycle through Earth's systems, supporting life. Earth is perfectly designed to have all these, working together in what we call the Earth and Earth system. Next, let's talk about how Earth behaves as a system. Earth is considered a closed system. What does this mean? It means that matter, things like water, air, and land, mostly stay within Earth's boundaries. There's no regular exchange of matter between Earth and space. However, energy is an open part of this system. Energy from the sun comes in, powers processes like photosynthesis and weather. And then, heat energy escapes back into space. Earth is also a dynamic body. It isn't static or motionless. It's made up of many separate but highly interacting parts or subsystems. And these work together continuously to keep the planet habitable. Have you ever heard the word terrarium? Terrarium represents the Earth's system. Each component is interacting to each other and surrounded, and influenced by its environment. Earth is a complex system of interacting physical, chemical, and biological processes, and provides a natural laboratory, whose experiments have been running since the beginning of time. Earth is a dynamic body with many separate but highly interacting parts or sphere. Science studies Earth system composed of numerous parts, or subsystem. Now, let's identify these subsystems. Earth is made up of 4 major interacting spheres. 1. Geosphere. This is the solid part of the Earth. It includes the rocks, soil, mountains, and even the layers beneath the surface, like the mantle and core. 2. Atmosphere. This is the blanket of gases that surrounds Earth, providing oxygen for breathing, and protecting us from harmful radiation. 3. Hydrosphere. All the water on Earth belongs here. Oceans, lakes, rivers, groundwater, and even the water vapor in the air. 4. Biosphere. This is where all living things exist. Plants, animals, microorganisms, and of course, humans. These spheres interact with one another in various ways to create a balance that supports life. Let's explore each sphere in detail. Starting with the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is made up mostly of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. The remaining 1% includes carbon dioxide, argon, and other gases. This gaseous envelope extends about 560 kilometers above the planet's surface. It plays a crucial role in protecting us from harmful solar radiation like ultraviolet rays, and it also helps regulate Earth's temperature, preventing extreme heat during the day and excessive cooling at night. That next is the hydrosphere, which includes all the water on Earth. This water exists in oceans, rivers, lakes, glaciers, groundwater, and even water vapor in the atmosphere. Did you know, only 3% of Earth's water is fresh water, and about 70% of that is trapped in ice caps and glaciers. The hydrosphere is vital because life depends on water for drinking, agriculture, transportation of nutrients, and regulating temperatures through the water cycle. Then we have the geosphere. This includes everything that makes up the solid part of Earth, the crust we live on, the mantle beneath the crust, and the core deep inside the Earth. The geosphere is where we get minerals, soil for farming, and natural resources. It's shaped by dynamic processes like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and mountain formation, which constantly modify Earth's surface over time. Now, the most relatable one, the biosphere. This is the zone of life on Earth. It includes plants, animals, humans, and microorganisms. Life here depends on energy from the sun and the matter from the other spheres. For example, plants need sunlight and nutrients from the soil. Animals and humans need water and air. It's all interconnected in one continuous flow of energy and matter. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. These four spheres don't work separately. They interact with each other all the time. For example, a hurricane forms over the ocean, moves to and affects homes and communities. A volcano eruption releases gases into the atmosphere, affects nearby forests and animals, and even changes water quality. These interactions are happening around us constantly, shaping our environment and our lives. Finally, let's talk about us humans. We belong to the biosphere, but we depend on all the other spheres to survive. We breathe air from the atmosphere, drink water from the hydrosphere, live on the geosphere, and interact with plants, animals, and other people in the biosphere. Our daily activities, farming, construction, driving, and even cooking, all affect and are affected by these systems. That's why it's important to understand how these systems work together, so we can take care of our planet better. So, the next time you drink a glass of water or enjoy the cool breeze, remember, it's all part of a larger, connected system that keeps life on Earth. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to review your notes, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Stay curious and stay safe.